What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Tangerine by Glass Animals. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll drop kick you in the genitalia. Also, I'm giving away a free guitar, so if you want to know how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So the song is in standard tuning, and it's only using two different chords. It's F major, which is 1 3 3 2 1 1. And then G major, which is 3 2 0 0 0 3. So F, G. Now the hardest part of the song is probably the strumming pattern. The simplest way to play it would be down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. That's the simplest way to play the song. The more kind of intermediate way is to add some muting in between the strumming. So down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. Same strumming pattern, you're just adding some muting in between the strums. Down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. So it's down, mute, down, mute, down, down, down. 3 of those. Mute, mute, mute. Down, up, mute, up, mute, up, down, down, up is regular. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.